Yo guys, like discussed earlier in today's video, most likely Bitcoin will break out to the upside right here today. Why? Because we already have seen that breakout right here in the relative strength index. And all the previous times where we have seen a breakout from a 1 month resistance in the relative strength index, it often, or actually always followed, if you look at the past couple of months, with a massive rally in the Bitcoin price. And yeah, today it's not different as well, because Bitcoin just broke the horizontal resistance right here of this triangle formation. Right now it's pumping, trading at 29,200. And yeah, we also took this trade, guys, over on WhaleAlerts, which is right now quite nice in the profit. First entry was actually a little bit lower here at support, but yeah, not all these orders were filled. And right now we have a nice break from the resistance, but we also had a break from the 4-hour EMA ribbon right here, which right now is approximately up by 4%. So that is quite nice. In today's video, guys, I quickly want to run what to look for right now in Bitcoin and which targets basically to watch for. So first of all, as you can see, Bitcoin right now is stepping into some resistance right here. If we have a look at whaleportal, we can see that funding rates are still not at neutral, so are still lower, which is bullish. Take a buy sell ratio still going up, which is bullish. So I wouldn't be too worried. I think it still looks quite bullish. I would be watching these charts, definitely the stablecoin dominance chart. But yeah, so far it's actually looking quite good. When we take the target of this formation, that is the width of the triangle, put at the point of breakout, that would set the target of this formation at roughly 30,900. But do take in mind, guys, a lot of people are watching this level, so it might be smarter to take profits beforehand. What would be an invalidation? Well, the following thing would be an invalidation when Bitcoin breaks below this level again at the resistance at 28,600. Retest it as resistance, so cannot reclaim it again. That would be a invalidation and would most likely show us that Bitcoin will test the support and maybe even break that support, because it is a very important level, as you can see right here. This is also why we actually said Bitcoin is looking very bullish, because we had this rising channel. We broke out to the smaller rising channel, and then we just touched the support yesterday, and right now Bitcoin is taking off, going at least to the top of the channel right here at 29,600. That is the least that I expect for Bitcoin. Then I got some questions from other people, like how is it with the 60-day cycle? Well, 60-day cycle is still okay. Bitcoin could set a top in the next coming days ahead, maybe around the 21st of April we could see a top. We also see some very interesting correlations coming on there with certain dates I will talk about in future videos. But yeah, so far the cycles that we are tracking all actually quite perfect. Breakout quite perfect. We can check the volume, still a little bit volume is coming in, also fine. Funding rates are still not at neutral levels, and yeah, this was actually quite nice, and we were definitely one of the channels expecting this move up, like I said in my video earlier today, especially when we broke the relative strength index, and a lot of people were actually waiting for Bitcoin to come down to 25,000 US dollars. And I can understand, when you look at the structure, people might expect 25k, but this is that extra dimension that I'm talking about. If you would have just take the minute time and go to whaleportal.com and you see the funding rates are super down in a bull market, then you would already know that there's a lot of bullish momentum coiling up in Bitcoin as shorts are stacking up right here. So just with a 1 second look at this website, you could actually already see that, yeah, the behavior of traders is that they all expect a move to the downside, or the majority, which makes it less likely for it to come. So guys, make sure to use this extra dimension whaleportal. If you want to use WhaleAlerts, which is even better, gives you more information, just like this trade that we have been setting up right here, then make sure to join bybit with the affiliate link down below. You can get a deposit bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars. We've updated our funding rates page too, which will be very soon online, guys, where you can see right here below a table with a lot of different funding rates, which will be very, very amazing. If you are living in the United States, for example, and you cannot join Bybit, but you still want to join WhaleAlerts, you can do so by joining on bitget. For that, you click on exchanges on whaleportal.com, you go to bitget, you click on view, here you have visit bitget, you can sign up, there you can basically submit your user ID also with the WhaleAlerts program. If you want to know more about bitget, we've made a super detailed review about it, so everything you need to know about bitget is on this page, including funding fees and so on. So yeah, if you are interested in that, guys, make sure to join bitget. I think bitget right now after Bybit is the best exchange out there. But yeah, if you don't have an account on Bybit or you like Bybit more and you have already an account, just make a new account. Make sure to join WhaleAlerts. Definitely worth the effort, I would say. I also recently published a video there with a checklist on what you gotta do basically before opening any trade, which I think is very, very valuable for active traders, right? Only for active traders. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash up that like button. If so, if you are new, make sure to subscribe. Wish you all a great evening, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.